Everyone, today a new video with a new exciting scholarship. Today's scholarship is about Bond University Scholarship Australia, and I will guide you today about its application process. First of all, we discuss its detail, eligibility, documentation, and then we move that how you can apply on this one. Level of studies: undergraduate, master, PhD, and research degrees. Institution is a Bond University. Study in Australia. Program period is for 4 year, 2 year research degree, and PhD. Deadline: this one is its second round. First is already passed. Those who are enrolled already in September, they can apply scholarship form, but now who did not apply on this university, they can start from the beginning. And the last date for this scholarship is 16 October for student commencing in January 2026. So your classes will be started in 2026. And documentation is same. I told you that same document for every scholarship, like motivation letter, study plan, research proposal, proof of language proficiency, academic transcript, passport, CV, resume, any additional certificate like internship and experience. What kind of benefit you will get from this scholarship? First of all, for the research degree like master and PhD degrees, they will provide RTP scholarship, and RTP scholarship is full funded, tuition waived. They will provide you a handsome stipend, everything. And research degree full tuition waive. A bachelor student will get 50% or 100% tuition waived, and 50 and 100% depends on the documentation and the courses you selected. After selection process, they will send you a offer letter, and then you can apply for a scholarship. Flight subsidy, monthly allowance, degree program tuition fee, a thesis and printed fee, and medical allowance, they will provide all of the facilities. And now the thing is eligibility criteria, how you can apply on this scholarship, and what kind of steps you have to follow. First of all, the required programs or languages are English, and all countries are eligible for this. I will show you the countries also. You must have received an offer from Bond University to commence an undergraduate. Student who not yet received an offer can apply by the Bond University. So today I will guide you that if you don't have an offer letter, first how you can apply on this university, and then if you have an offer letter, then how you can apply for a scholarship, also for bachelor and also for the research degrees. A student who currently reside outside the Australia, like international, you must have outstanding academic ability. Complete and submit the undergraduate excellence scholarship program. An excellence scholarship application form can fill only those students who already have a bond university offers. You must not have already commenced undergraduate or postgraduate study at the bond university. Mean those students who are already there in a bond university, they are not eligible for this scholarship. And now the next part is that how you can apply on it. This is very important part of this scholarship. First one, you have to read the instruction. Second one, you have to apply for the bond university. Third one, if you are undergraduate student, then you have to send excellence scholarship application form. And these all of the information or application process we can followed by this scholarship website, international at bond.edu.au. Let's move toward the application. First I will show you something important about this one. So first of all, I show you about the undergraduate. Here you can see that bond international undergraduate excellence scholarship provide tuition remission scholarship to high academic achieving. This means that your total tuition fee is paid. International undergraduate excellence scholarship are awarded on the basis of academic merit. So it means that your documentation is should be very important. Here they also mention you will get 50% or any single approved uncombined undergraduate degree. And how you can apply on it, application are open now. You can apply. You have to click at here and apply on it. And now I will show you the countries. Here you can see the how many countries can apply. So you can search your countries here. If you are eligible, you can apply it. Almost every country is there. Here I can show you the Pakistan, and almost every European country, Asian countries, all African countries are included in it. Okay, after when you click on it, you have to get this one. First I sign out on it. Okay, after clicking on apply, you will get this page. Here you can see that welcome to the Bond University online application service, and you have to click on register. When you register, you have to make an account. After make, you will get email in your Gmail account. You have to verify your email address, and then you can click on login. Here you can put your write your email and your password, and it will take you toward your application procedure. Okay, before going to application procedure, I want to show you something important, like programs. These are the programs there you can apply. First, I will show you the like a bachelor program. You can see bachelor or exercise, bachelor of project management, bachelor of management, Bachelor of Communication, Bachelor of Creative Arts, Journalism. There is a lot of program. These are for bachelor, and also if you want to study for research degree program, and here postgraduate research degree, and academic and English pathway. If we click on a postgraduate, they will show you those programs. Okay, after that the study area, and from here you can choose your study area, in which area you want to study, and intake you can choose. The today video is about January 2026, and 2025 is already passed, and next you can choose for 2026 May, September, and January. Program delivery is you can choose online, on campus, and in person, and relevant international, domestic, and all of things you can apply and filter. They will give you all of the information. Okay, these are basically a program. I will attach the website link on in the description. Then you can easily find these program or program site. And next one is I want to show you something here. Okay, let's go move toward the application. After completing your process, and completing your verification on your application portal, they will give you some kind of this one. Then you, after login your email ID and password, you can click on I am eligible for this scholarship, yes, and click on continue. After that you have to complete your information. EOI is your total information. You can add your information about your country, your contact detail, your your email address, your previous education, all of the things. And next part should be the how you can attach your documentation. See, I'm from Pakistan. I'm living in Taiwan, so my citizenship is Pakistan. I can show you something more. This is the this is the this is personal detail. Have you previously enrolled at Bond University? You can click on yes or no and put your title and first given name, your middle name, your family name, and if you don't have family name, you can click on this part. Like for example, if I am from my name is Muhammad Adil, so I choose my don't have a family name, so Adil is my given name. So Muhammad is not my family name. And date of birth, country, gender, you have to select it. And are you currently in Australia? No, I'm not in Australia. And what country do you live? Taiwan. So I'm living in Taiwan, therefore I choose Taiwan. Here you can choose a country code, a mobile number. Do you have any contact number information? You can click. For example, if you want to give your father number, your mother, your sister, and your brother, you can click on yes and add your second information number. Okay, so next one is mailing address. Mailing address is very important part, because they will send you all of your documentation on your mailing address. If your mailing address is wrong, maybe you did not get your applications and you will be rejected. Select your country here. After that, add your address, add your town, region, and your postcode. The most important thing is those part which a red star is important to fill it, and the remaining is optional. You can leave it as blank, and then you can choose permanent country. And one thing here, mailing address and permanent country, these are two different things. If you are living in your in your house in a permanent address, then your mailing and permanent address is same. For example, I'm permanently live in Pakistan, but my residency is Taiwan, so my mailing address will be Taiwan and my permanent address will be uh, uh, Pakistan. And then program, important thing here, I already show you that I choose profession doctorate of occupational therapy, and here I can select the date that when I want to apply. I already show you this one that you can choose different years. If you want to add another course, they also mention that if you do not qualify for entry into your preferred program, Bond University may offer you an alternate program or pathway. So for this purpose, you can click add a second preference, and here you can add a second preference. If your first preference is you are not eligible for this, you will go for the second one. One thing I want to confirm you here, that this application form will send and they will give you offer letter some kind, or email in which you have your student number. After getting the offer letter, you can apply for the scholarship. I will show you the also the website that how you can apply for the scholarship. Okay. Choose your faculty. You can see there's a four faculty: health science and medicine. All of the biology, chemistry, medical field are inside this one. Society and design, all of the related to social, home economics, all of the field are inside this society. So you can choose your in which program you are going to apply. Please select your intent of study full time, you can choose. And please select your intent to location of study, so you can choose on campus. About your academic history, if you have your post secondary education like a master education, bachelor education, you can click on yes, and then click on yes, and then you can add all of the information. Here you can add your information that where you get it. Language of instruction is English, so you can, it's very important part that you can choose your language of instruction is English. Okay, have you ever been expelled from the university? You can choose no. Okay, now the English proficiency, you can see here, is English your first language? You can choose it no. What is my native language is Urdu. So which country you belong, you can choose your native language. And were any of your previous degree study conducted entirely in English, you can choose yes. So if you choose yes, it means your bachelor and master degree is in English. You have a chances to exempt English language like IELTS or TOEFL scores. Research outline, this part, you can write your research proposal, because if you are going to apply for the research degrees, you have to write your research proposal. Write your topic about the about outline of your research proposal or any comment related to your research degree, research proposal. After that, have you discussed your research interest with any bond university? If you have a professor, you can click it no. If you don't have a professor, click it no. If you have a professor, and here you can write the name of your professor. One more thing, if you have a professor, you have a plus point, that professor will help you to push your application toward your scholarship and your acceptance. In every university all over the world, this is a plus chance. If you have acceptance from professor, it is a plus point that it will help you. If you don't have, but if you apply on a merit, you don't need a professor, but with professor is a plus chance. After that, click on declaration. You can click on I understand the degree with declaration and save and continue. The next part is the attachment. In attachment, you can combine all of your document in PDF form, and then you can upload it here. Attach your all a PDF file and merge it online, and you can click on it. It will open a computer directory. You can upload from your computer. Okay, attach one of your existing upload. If you have, you can click like for example your master degree. Click write a master degree. Click on it, select a file, and then you can click on attach. It will open your, you can see I did not attach. For example, I write it here. I click on attach. Hmm. But I need to apply fill this one. If you submit all of the documents here, you can select one by one from here. After that, any comment about the application, you can click here. and then verify. Verify is part that we give all of the information about ourselves, about our degrees, about our future things. They will give you a verify page that you can see that every information is right or not. So you can see is a contact detail. I did not fill all of the information, but you have to fill it. After fill the information, you have to click on submit. My application will not submit because I did not fill any information here, but you need to fill all of the information because the video goes too long. Therefore, I did not going to fill all of the parts. Okay. After the submission, they will send you a condition offer letter or offer letter, and in the email you also will get your student number. And now I will guide you that how you can go for the application process. After when you submit your application, then they will give you offer letter. For undergraduate student, they can apply for excellence scholarship. I will attach all of the document, all of the website web links in my description of video. You can choose it and apply on it. And for undergraduate, they can fill all of the information, choose your starting semester, write about your statement of purpose, and submit. It will directly send to university. But for RTP scholarship, like for master and PhD student, this is a Bond University higher degree research scholarship application form. After getting the offer letter, you can come here. You can see it's a RTP full tuition fee waiver. They will give you a stipend, single overseas health cover, and then you can add your contact email, your bond university student number. I already told you, when you get your offer letter from university, it's also included your student number and first name, second name, your program, your faculty, application status, study load, international program starting date, and then your principal supervisor. Because you already get offer letter, you need a supervisor because it's your research degree. And then you can click on next, and like this you can complete your scholarship application. But most important thing is you need a offer letter from university. I already guide you that how you can get an offer letter. I show you a program. Share this video with your friends so they can apply. Then remember me in your prayer until the next video.